Oh, we have a layover in Chicago.
A what?
A layover means we stop in Chicago before flying to our final destination.
Oh, I thought a layover meant we have to sleep on the floor in the airport.
Nope, just waiting for our next flight. Your room comes with a continental breakfast.
Oh, so I get food from all the continents?
No, it's usually just bread, fruit, and coffee.
So no sushi, no tacos, no dim sum?
Sorry, a continental breakfast is just a basic breakfast. Like I mentioned earlier, some kind of bread, fruit, and coffee. Hi. This hat is too small. I need a refund. Do you have a receipt? Sure, here. Ma'am, you bought that hat in 2019. Well, it still doesn't fit me. Oh.
I want some chocolate cake.
It's chocolate. No extra syllables.
What? Where did the O go? Okay then, I'll get a vegetable salad.
Nope, it's vegetable.
We're just eating letters now? Let's go to the restaurant.
Nope, it's restaurant.
Stop eating letters!
You've been on the couch all day.
Yeah, I'm becoming the couch.
You are a couch potato.
Oh, so I'm tasty now?
No, couch potato means you are lazy now. Okay, let's get the ball rolling.
Ball? Which ball?
It means let's get started.
Wow, how do you know all this?
Well, I subscribe to English Unpuzzled.